All right, so in a past post, I think it was 231, I mentioned that I wanted to reduce the amount of psychological barriers to the build. So I just wanted to no mental hurdles that I had to climb. So over a period of time, I've been putting these templates together. So I thought I'd just share with you what sort of level I've gone to, just to make it as easier mentally to build a plane as it is physically. So there's your main full template for a wing, for veil cloths and sort of the outside layers, etc. And then there's this next template that I use for back to the drag spar, basically, or the hinge line. And then, of course, the control surface template fits in the other way. Control surface template goes in there. So that sort of gives an idea of the wing. Pretty straightforward. The fuselage, on the other hand, has quite a few different templates. So we've got a nose cone, I'll call it the pod, the boom reinforcing, the fuselage web, which I've shown you already. I'm going to call it the nose to tail, the full nose to tail, and the fin. So that's easy. Just literally, it's made out of plywood. So I just run a knife, put the template on the material, or run a knife or a rotary knife around the template, or you can draw around the template and cut it along the line. The other thing I've done is I've put together these lists, if you like, for the 100, the 200 and the 300. So on the front I've created a cut list, so I know straight off for the veil cloth I need that, for the main sort of glass area and for the carbon area. So the different materials, that's basically a joining instructions. And then inside I've got off the roll dimensions, so how much I cut off the roll. And then I've got the pattern drawn up for the templates to minimise my wastage. And again, the wing being what it is pretty straightforward. Some hinging stuff that I've put together. How I'm going to go about the hinging. So that pretty much covers it as far as where I'm at. Oh, you'll notice that I've done it all in pencil, because as materials availability changes, I can alter the layup, etc. Yeah, so I hope that's sort of some insight as to one of the steps I'm taking to sort of try and reduce the mental strain of building one of these, because I just want to do more of it. But yeah, you run out of time and forget things, so there it is.